In this video, we are going to show you how to add a border in CorelDRAW. Now, to add a border, it's quite simple. Just open whatever document you want and then look towards your left-hand side. This is going to be where all of your tools are at. Now, we want to click on the rectangle tool or F6, right? Click that and just put a border over here. You don't need to be perfect. You can just adjust it later. There you go. Once we have this, you want to press F12 on your keyboard like so. This pop-up will appear. This is the outline pen. Now, this is where we tweak our border. So you can change the color, right? If we say I want it to be lime green like so, do that. And as you can see, it is lime green. We can also make it thicker with the width. So let's go 8 point. There we go. And then we can even change the style here. There's a lot of different styles available. Say you want to do this. There you go. And then you can actually change the dashes, the corners, line caps, etc. So we want to do that. We want to do that. Again, there's a lot of options here. You can even do the stretch angle, etc. So this is pretty much how you add a border using CorelDRAW. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.